Today's dish is fish and chips with a spicy masala twist. A crispy battered piece of fish coated in a range of delicious spices, served with thick cut chips tossed in a tangy masala sauce.
Hi guys, my name is Shwana and this is Cooking with Shwana. Today I'm going to be making the British speciality, fish and chips. I'm going to be making masala steak cut chips and fish with a spicy batter. You can use any fish you like, any fish of your choice. My kids like bassa fish, so I'm going to use bassa fish, cod, haddock, pollock, whatever you want to. I've got some gram flour, corn flour, all-purpose flour, coriander, black pepper, chili flakes, paprika, ginger and garlic paste, chaat masala, salt, lemon juice. I'm going to be taking the chaat masala, the paprika, the salt, the black pepper, and just some of the chili flakes. Okay, I'm going to mix that up and make a sort of rub, and a little bit of garam masala. I'm going to sprinkle that all over the fish. Okay, and turn it over and do the same on the other side. Do this to all the pieces of the fish. Like this, put it to one side. Be generous. Somebody in my family likes cod. So 3 pieces of cod. Do the same. Right, I'm going to take these pieces and I'm just going to press them down on some flour. Okay, just so that I have nice crispy fish. This is sort of like drying it out a little bit, you know, just coating it. Do that to each piece. Press down, turn it over. Not forgetting the cod. We're going to be making the batter. I'm going to put all my rest of my ingredients into this bowl. That was the flour. This is a corn flour. Gram flour, fresh coriander. I'm going to put half. Some I'm going to put onto my chips. Leave a little bit. Okay. And or that rub that I made, anything that's left over, that goes in. Garam masala. And I'm going to be putting in a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. More garlic than ginger. Chili flakes go in, and I'm going to be putting in some lemon juice. Okay, I'm going to be using some water to mix this a little at a time. Try not to get any lumps in here. Do a little at a time, then you won't make the batter too clear either. Now at this stage, you can add green chilies if you want to. You can add whole spices if you want to. Also some turmeric just to give us a colour. Is it nicely mixed? This is the consistency you want. Quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder and a quarter of a teaspoon of baking soda. So that's gone in there as well. Mix that in. Okay, so I'm going to be putting my fish in there. Coat it well. Scrape it on the side so you can take off any excess batter. And just put it in. Don't turn the fish over straight away, just leave it for a minute or two. And then afterwards gently turn it over. Just in case, you know, that you get the batter comes off, you know, as you're turning it over. I'm just going to use a pair of tongs, get a good firm grip and gently turn it over. This is what, just put it to one side. Okay. Nothing like homemade chips. Turn up the heat slightly. Okay, I'm going to put in literally a drop of oil, and then I'm going to add some onions. Fry those. I don't want any colour on this, so I'm just going to stir them. Just want to saute them. Be adding a little bit of garlic, a teaspoon of tomato puree. Tomato ketchup, a little bit of lemon juice to this, the black pepper. I like texture, so I'm going to add some cumin seeds, some curry powder, some paprika. Give that a stir. Turn up the heat slightly. Right, I'm just going to put that water in there so that the spices of the rawness goes. Yep, it smells very nice. To taste. And now I'm going to be adding the chips. Put the chips in. Good stir. Be gentle so you don't, break the chips. I'm going to add a little bit of colour. I'm going to add some fresh coriander. Entirely up to you. There you have it. Masala chips. Okay, all done. And now we're going to just plate up. This is fish and chips, desi style.